For this review, it's a bit different because I haven't actually technically got a product in front of me at the moment. It's actually on me. It's what I do all my reviews from, including this one, and it's this little microphone. So it's from a company called Blusmart. It's an absolutely fantastic item. It comes with a very, very long lead, and all my reviews have been done via this item itself. That shows how much I am willing to put on it, essentially. That all of my reviews are recorded directly onto this and then overwritten over the videos. So as a microphone, I cannot fault it at all. It's an absolutely fantastic item and it picks up everything that you could imagine.